Have you ever came across a complicated set of instructions but for a very simple thing? For example, how to assemble this simple faucet with this simple drain system into a sink. It kind of looks complicated, but it kind of is not, and today we're gonna assemble it together. First things first is the faucet itself. In a package we have this small rubber right here, and it should fit right in here in this groove, because this rubber will be placed around this hole here, and this small bar, it basically goes right here on the back side of the faucet, and just put it in there just like this, and now place everything together in a hole. Let's try to do that. Put this down, down. Okay, cool. It looks mounted, right?
Okay, here we are from the bottom side, and let me show you how everything looks from here. As you can see, this is the big threaded bar from the faucet itself, and we have this nut, and we're gonna place it right there. But before we do that, we still have this one very important part that we should mount right there on that bar, and it basically should go like this. There you go, I managed to place it right in there. And now we need to just mount this nut right here on this threaded bar.
We want to make this tight as possible because we want to connect these hoses to the hot and cold water just to see if everything works. So let's do that next. Don't look right here in this hole. There are some scary things in there. Oh, this one fits perfectly, but this one here, if you don't have any other tool, pliers will also do the work. Next step, to assemble this drainage system. This maybe looks intimidating, but trust me, it's pretty easy to assemble it. I think, I hope at least, we will see. Let's see, what do we have here. This is a cap, we can remove that for the moment. This is just some protection, we don't need it. This rubber part right here, this goes to this bottom assembly. Just, yeah, place it like this. As you can see, you can squeeze it inside, and this whole assembly goes here, but from the bottom. And then this part goes here from the top, and they will basically connect like this. And you will rotate one to another or screw it one to another just like this. Now you don't need any rubbers here on this part, because once we put it like this and once we squeeze it from the bottom side, it will be so tight against this sink that no water will go by at any of these places. So that's basically it. Just put this part like this, and we go with this one from the bottom. As you can see, we cannot rotate the whole part. This little bar is in the way, so we need to remove it. We will assemble it later. One more time, make sure that this rubber is very tight in there, and now just rotate everything just like this. We want this small pipe to be connected with this bar right here, and we can do that only if this pipe is looking at that direction right there. I think this is good. Let's take a look from the top side. Yeah, here from the top side everything looks very nicely. I doubt that any drip of water can go by here anywhere. And now all that is left to do is to assemble this small pipe and to connect it with this one right here, hopefully. And of course we need a drainage pipe that goes right there into a drain. The crazy looking drain. As you can see, if it's too long, you just have to cut it to desired specific length. It's just a bar. This fell off, but we learned that is not a problem. Just put it right here. Put it right here. Okay. And all we have to do, the next step, is to make this tight. Just figure out how long you want to have this. Let's say it like this, because when you push it down, this will be like down situation. This will be like up situation. Down, up. And yeah, you just don't want it to be sticking out too much. And let's say I want to have it like this. I will just hold it with one hand with my other hand, I will just try to make this screw right here as tight as possible. Okay, once it's holding, just make it a little bit tighter, because this will be walking up and down just like this. If this cup right here is not coming out the way you want it, you have this screw right here, and as you can see it, you can move it more towards the cup and more away from the cup, and that will regulate this dimension right here of just how much it will pop out of this drain system. As you can see, I press it down, it comes out. I press this down, this comes out. I press it down, out. I press it down, out. Beautiful. Now, one more thing left to do is to connect this drain system. I actually hope this is one more thing left to do. I hope I didn't forget anything. Did I had any rubber here? No idea. We will see if anything drips. We will take care of it then. Just make it tight like this. Make this tight. Okay, this one is good. Okay, let's let a little bit of water. No drips here. Okay, I don't like to see that. This is not good. I have an idea of just making it more tighter. Not on this side, on the other side. Just like, let's try to squeeze it as hard as possible. This usually works. Usually, you know. I hope I won't break anything. Try another one. Testing, attention please. Okay. No drips. There you go, guys. Simple, easy assembly of a faucet that seems pretty complicated on those instructions. So if you feel intimidated by instructions, just check out YouTube for a couple of videos of how to do something. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you want to check out some more cool Rookie Handyman videos, check out the screen for suggested videos. Thank you guys for watching this one, and I will see you in the next one. Ciao!